Dear members of JCI India, welcome to another tutorial on JCI India's Members Portal. In this video, let us learn how to update our mobile number and email ID in the JCI India Members Portal. To do that, as usual, visit the profile update page from your right menu. Once you land on this page, go to the second tab. From here, you can edit your mobile number, email ID and your WhatsApp number. Let us first see how to edit our mobile number. All you have to do is click on update, enter your new number and click on send OTP. This would send an one-time password to your new mobile number which you have just updated. Enter the OTP that you have just received in the new number which you are going to update. Upon successful validation of OTP, the new number will be updated. Pretty simple. Now, to update your email ID, similarly click on update email ID. Over here, enter your new email ID that you are going to update in the members portal. Click on send verification email. This will send an automated email with a verification link to the new email ID that you have just entered. Yeah, here I have got it. This is how the verification email would look like. There will be a link in the email which says click to verify email. When you click this email, your email ID that you have just entered would be automatically verified. Once you have clicked on that link in the email, click on refresh button which would update your new email ID, and once it is verified, the box would turn green. Verification of email is completely optional, but I would suggest you to verify it, because if you lose your access or if you forget your login ID and password to the members portal, these are the only two authenticated methods through which you can reset your password. Let us see how to use the forget password option in the next video. See you then. Bye.